watch cricket. Uh, Around 40% of all viewership on cricket is female viewership. It is the highest for any sports, uh, relatively, because normally, of course, cricket tends to be male dominated, but here we have a lot of female viewership also coming in. The way this brand also evolved was from the time when we started off with positioning it as a home of entertainment to destination for this, to dance with IPL, sing with IPL, celebrate with IPL. If you saw the earlier years of the campaign, every year was going in that direction of saying, let's dance with IPL, let's celebrate IPL, etc. Last year we made a transition from that to say that IPL has now become so big in this country. It's so ingrained in all our lives that there is a larger cause it can take. It has kind of, April, May has now become the season of IPL. It's become that phase where people look forward to it, knowing fully well that these 2 months is IPL. This is where our lives are going to be every evening once we come back from office, home, wherever we are. So we looked at it differently and said, why not position it as the festival of the IPL as a festival? So that's why last year's campaign, which ran India Ka Tyohar, the way at the big level. This year, we decided, the brand IPL stands for so much more. It's also, if we really look at our behavior during IPL, if we see how people react during IPL, how they engage with each other during IPL, we've seen that this has become a binding force now. It's one time where we forget everything else and we all come together, sit with friends, celebrate with our friends, and watch the game. So, and given the various social message and the media debates and all that have been going on with regard to various scenario, we thought, why not position IPL as the unifier of the country? Why not position as the brand which has the ability to make all of us forget our differences at any point of time and come together and create what we all really want, a happy India. So that really was the theme of this, saying the brand IPL stands for so much more, has so much more power. So let's try and position it accordingly and put IPL on a pedestal where we can say that IPL clearly can make us forget all our differences. It can give us those hours of joy, but it also can unite us in a far bigger way. It can make us forget our day-to-day. So that really was the theme of the campaign this year, and that's why Ek India Happy Wala at the macro level, and the related variants of that campaign, which we have come out in Tamil, in Telugu, in Bengali, in Hindi, etc. So that clearly is the backdrop of where we are today. Uh, in terms of our plans for IPL, again, we started with the initiative of Tamil commentary on IPL last year, which we did on then we had just launched the channel called Kicks at that point of time. Uh, it was a big success. It helped Kicks establish itself as a brand in this state, and it also got very good traction among viewers. The Tamil commentary was very well received. So this year we took it one step further and said, let's put it on one of our more main channels rather than a new channel. So in our telecast plan now, uh, Max, which will continue, is a Hindi movie channel, will show the Hindi commentary. Sony 6, which has been our main sports channel for the last few years now, is the channel which will show the Tamil commentary. And the recently launched Sony ESPN channel will show the English commentary. So viewers in Tamil Nadu will be obviously, all the three options will be available to them to watch based on their individual preferences, whether to go with Hindi or English or Tamil. And it will be available on all platforms across the state. So that really was the distribution plan also from our side. And in addition to that, we are also providing 2 high definition feeds, both on Sony 6 and Sony ESPN HD. Again, 2 language options there also. So that's the broadcast plan for the year. We are definitely looking forward to, it's a different changed market from last year. Of course, there is the reality that one of the extremely popular CSK team is not going to be part of the setup this year. But then cricket itself has been very, very popular. IPL here has been very popular. Tamil Nadu has been one of the top states for IPL consistently. It's always been either the top rated or the top 2 rated rating states for the sport. So yes, as a result, from our perspective, none of the initiatives die down. So the language commentary remains, the feeds remain, the priority remains, the marketing efforts remain. uh, we'll see how it goes from here. So that pretty much was the backdrop on which we wanted to initiate the conversation, and happy to take any questions and go into an open discussion and address whatever. Yeah.
So Ramesh, with CSK,
Yeah.
do you feel that there could be a